doesn't matter what they say. Hi, my name is David Terrace. With our Sky's the Limit, do you have a minute motivational message? And if your group, company, or organization is planning a back in sales training or special event, think Sky's the Limit, DavidDinoTerrace.com for your speaking and your training needs. It doesn't matter what they say. Little leaks will sink big ships. But if you don't let, and you don't get the negative stuff on the inside, it won't sink your ship. But if you get, and if you let, and you set your mind on that negative stuff and it gets on the inside of you, you're going down. But when we think about possibilities, when we think about opportunities, when we think about our mission, our vision, and all of our ambition, that gets us excited. What's getting on your inside right now? If you're trying to make everyone happy, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not going to work. If you're letting what other people say about you get on your inside, I'm telling you it's not going to work. If you're worried about what other people are saying, thinking, or doing, it's not going to work. Don't let what they say stop you. Listen, the only person who can say something and stop you is you. What are you saying today? Today, I want to encourage you to encourage you. I want you to make sure that you get something on the inside that helps make your boat float. If you don't encourage you, who will? My name is David Terrace. We're here for you 24 hours a day. Yes, you can do it. We're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I remind you, life's not a spectator sport. Now you know that. Get out there today and participate. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day. I know we can do it. Thanks for watching, my friends.